Welcome to.
Oh, I filmed it this way. Oh, well, yeah. Robbie just didn't electric fit.
Do I really have to do this?
Yeah. What?
Those dogs are pretty mean.
Dude, just do it.
I really don't want to do this.
You can gut them. Dude, don't be.
This is. And I hate this. What do I even? Why do I do this stuff? Really? Shut up.
Dude, just go.
Shut up.
You got it, dude.
I got it.
Just
just don't touch me. Alright, I'm gonna punch you in the head. I'll punch you in the head.
Okay.
Where is it at?
I think on the tractor.
There? It's on the tractor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Way over there?
Yeah.
Oh. Really? Alright.
You want us to count you down? 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, he just moved.
What
No,
you
he
learn
was
to
listening
count
to
at,
you.
dude. I
He was
could never
listening.
do that.
He was listening to you. Alright, you guys ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
No!
Come on, man. Yeah, hurry. Dude, come on.
I got it.
What's up?
You got me.
I'm out.
Hey!
When you meet a woman.
Shut up.
He's a ladies man, dude. That doesn't make any sense. Right.
Any more ideas?
Wait, can I massacre everyone?
Oh, guys. That's our show. Hope you liked it. This was see you next weekend.
Whoa, what the crap?